Okay, now let's bring you an update about the 5 people accused of murdering 2 staff members at the University of Fort Hare in the Eastern Cape. Now, final arguments in their bail application were being heard today. 2 of the accused have abandoned their bail bid. Let's get an update now from Ronald Masinda, who's in Dimbaza in the Eastern Cape, just outside the magistrates' court there. Good afternoon, Ronald. What happened in court today?
Good afternoon, Pradhan. Well, accused number 1 and accused number 3, Bongani Peter and Wanini Kuza, have abandoned bail. We also heard from the attorney saying that he hopes that during their time in custody, while they await trial, that they don't endure the treatment that they've been allegedly receiving, the treatment of police brutality. Now, we also heard very interesting argument made for accused number 2, Sicelo Mulawa. Now, he is a 4th-year law student at the University of Fort Hare, father of 3, and also a businessman who allegedly was involved in some of the dodgy dealings that took place at the university. Now, his legal representative, attorney Asana Pakati, had argued that this man has no prior convictions and that he has been well cooperative with the police when he was arrested during the Easter weekend. Even go as far as saying that he even handed over his passport, meaning that he is not a person at flight risk. We also heard from the representatives of accused number 4 and 5, Mtobisi Kanyile and Mtobisi Dlamini Zondo. Now, those are the alleged hitmen that were hired during the attacks on senior staff at the University of Fort Hare. The interesting one, really, Pradhan, is accused number 5, Mtobisi Dlamini Zondo. Now, he has been convicted on 13 occasions. He's currently facing 4 charges, and he's currently out on parole, with his parole expected to end around 2035. We are expecting the magistrate to announce, or rather make finalization with regards to this bail application on the 12th of June.
Each representative of the accused has that copy of the statement of each accused.
The
Confession.
alleged confessions.
We check the confession because they talk about these offenses we are articulating. So our thinking was that they were going to be so honest and tell what those statements entail. Maybe even if not to say the case is weak, but to show really what his client said. It was a statement for this court to what I said, because here at this stage we don't have to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. All that is needed is to show what links they are chosen to the crime.
I mean, Ronald, this matter of these murder of staff members at Fort Hare, I mean, a few weeks ago, as we know, drew a lot of national attention, including the visit there by some many cabinet ministers, like Dr. Blade Nzimande. Was there a lot of interest today as these proceedings were? I mean, who was in court, for example?
All right. Just before I answer you, Pradhan, just to briefly tell the viewers what took place during that soundbite. That was the state prosecutor, Ms. Nceba Ntelwa, explaining that the state thinks that they have solid evidence linking these 5 suspects to these murders, and that there could also be more people brought forward, as the state believes that there could be other people involved in the shootings and attacks of staff at the University of Fort Hare. But to come back to your question, mainly family members, some of them, as we are seeing walking past by me, they've been the ones who've been here since day one. Of course, since this bail or the first appearance took place, we did see Police Minister Bheki Cele as well as the National Police Commissioner, Mr. Masemola. But other than that, it's been quiet proceedings, people just hoping and praying, I'm sure, as family members, for the day to come where the trial gets underway.
Okay, thank you very much, Ronald Masinda there outside the Dimbaza Magistrate Court in the Eastern Cape, just giving us a wrap of what took place in court in the bail application of the 5 people accused of murdering 2 staff members from Fort Hare University.